Hi, I'm Mike with Morgan Inspection Services. This can be a very short video, and this video is more for home inspectors or HVAC people who might need to test emergency or auxiliary heat on a heat pump. I'm going to show you how to set this up on a Nest thermostat because sometimes it can be a little complicated. So here's what you need to do. So just go to your thermostat. You want to go over to settings, and then you will scroll over till you get to equipment, and you'll select equipment and you'll select continue here, and then you simply go down to test and you choose auxiliary heat or emergency heat, and it is testing. That's how simple it is, and you'll leave that until you're finished. You'll click done, done again, and you just keep clicking done until you get back to the start screen and you're finished. So that's how simple it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.